Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see pointers in C programming. Pointer is a variable whose value is the address of the another variable such that direct address of the memory location. Like any variable or a constant, you must declare a pointer before using it to store any variable address. For example, int var equal to 10. Var is nothing but an variable and int star of p is a pointer. The star denoting it is a pointer points to p equal to address of var, which is nothing but p is the pointer that stores the address of the variable var. The data type of the pointer p and the variable var should be matched because an integer pointer can only holding the address of the integer variable. Then we are go to the process address space where the processed variable is stored. In process addressing space, a process should be in the memory. The process should be in the memory. In this we can see a compiler. While compiling, the program output stored in the extend file, which is nothing but a set of instruction in a processing. We have a space for an instruction. In this process, we have used the variable. For this variable, we need a separate segment called as a data segment used to store the variable. And one more thing is stack is also used for storing variables. For example, int I equal to 5. Store either in data or stack segment. We have the three three types of segments below. One is text, data and stack segment. These segments are used to store the variables where we can provide the based on the data types. It can store the data based on the data type, otherwise based on the storage classes. Auto, where we can declare an auto variable, static variable, or either extend variable or register variable. Then the register variable can store the value in the CPU register. Other than the register variable, static and extend variable can store the data in the data segment. Then auto variable can store the data in stack segment. It is used to store, for example, we can see the text segment first. It is used to store the binary image or value of a processor. Data segment is used to store the static variable that is initialized value. There is no more or one more segment is called as an BSS segment. BSS is nothing but block started by the symbol. Stack segment. In stack segment, all the local variables are stored. BSS is used to store the uninitialized static variable. Heap. Heap is allocated memory dimensionally. Heap, it has an allocation of memory dynamically. Use malloc. Malloc is an address of a variable. Heap is a specialized tree-based structure which is essentially an